Artificial intelligence has exploded over the last decade, but one of the most interesting stories in modern AI isn't just about capability, it's about philosophy. This is the story of Claude, the AI built by Anthropic, and how a group of researchers set out to create a safer, more aligned path for the future of artificial intelligence. Claude's origins begin at OpenAI. In 2020, OpenAI shifted toward becoming a more commercial company, focusing heavily on product development and rapid scaling. Inside the organization, a group of researchers felt that AI safety needed deeper attention, not as an afterthought, but as a core principle. Among them were Dario Amodei, who led OpenAI's safety and research teams, and his sister, Daniela Amodei, who oversaw policy and operations. They believed that as AI systems grew more capable, the risks would grow too, and that the world needed a company dedicated to building AI that was helpful, honest, and harmless. So in 2021, they left OpenAI and founded a new organization, Anthropic. Anthropic's mission was different from the start. Instead of relying solely on human feedback to teach an AI how to behave, they introduced a new idea called constitutional AI. The concept was simple but powerful. Instead of humans manually correcting every behavior, the AI would learn from a written set of principles, a constitution, that guided how it should respond. These principles included things like avoiding harmful content, being transparent, and respecting user intent. It was a way to bake safety directly into the foundation of the model. With this approach, Anthropic began training its first AI systems. In late 2022, they introduced Claude 1. Claude quickly gained attention for its calm tone, stable behavior, and strong reasoning. It wasn't just another chatbot. It felt more deliberate, more careful, and more aligned with the values Anthropic had set out to build. Then came Claude 2 in 2023, and this is where things really accelerated. Claude 2 offered better reasoning, improved accuracy, and a much larger context window, allowing it to handle longer conversations and more complex tasks. Developers praised it for being reliable and less prone to hallucinations. It became a serious alternative to ChatGPT, especially for people who valued safety and consistency. But the real breakthrough arrived in 2024 with the Claude 3 family of models, Haiku, Sonnet, and Opus. Haiku was fast and lightweight. Sonnet was balanced and capable. And Opus. Opus was Anthropic's flagship model, designed to compete at the highest level of AI capability. Claude 3 Opus delivered massive context windows, advanced reasoning, strong coding abilities, and impressive performance across academic and professional benchmarks. Many reviewers noted that Opus felt more thoughtful and more analytical than other models. It wasn't just answering questions, it was processing them deeply. Claude 3 also improved safety alignment. Anthropic refined constitutional AI, added new training techniques, and focused heavily on reducing hallucinations. The result was an AI that could handle complex tasks while maintaining a high level of reliability. By late 2024 and into 2025, Anthropic pushed even further with Claude 3.5. These models expanded context windows again, improved memory, and introduced stronger multimodal capabilities. Claude became one of the leading frontier AI systems, a model capable of competing with the most advanced AI in the world. But beyond the benchmarks and capabilities, Claude represents something bigger. It's a reminder that AI development isn't just about power, it's about responsibility. It's about building systems that can help people without causing harm. It's about designing models that understand context, respect boundaries, and behave predictably even as they grow more capable. Claude's story is ultimately a story of values. A group of researchers left one of the most influential AI labs in the world because they believed the future needed a different approach, one centered on alignment, safety, and trust. And through Claude, they've shown that it's possible to build powerful AI without sacrificing those principles. As AI continues to evolve, Claude stands as one of the clearest examples of how thoughtful design and strong safety foundations can shape the future of technology. And its history is still being written.